Hi guys, in today's video we'll discuss how to check the balance on a Navy Federal gift card. Watch until the end to learn this and much more. Check your balance via call. Ensure you have your Navy Federal gift card at hand. On your mobile device, dial 1-866-226-27438 to contact Navy Federal Customer Service. The phone number is in the description. Follow the automated prompts and choose the option to check your card balance. Next, provide any information needed, including your card number. Allow some time to process the information and obtain your balance. You'll then be told your gift card balance. Check the balance online. On your web browser, visit vizadgiftcard.com. The full link is in the description. To access the Navy Federal Gift Card Balance Checker, enter your username to log into your account. If you didn't create a username for your card, click Need Username to create one. Once logged in, you can access your balance. So there you have it. Follow these steps to check the balance on your Navy Federal gift card. Thanks for watching. Till next time.